I feel like if I could only pick one place to be minimal, that I would pick the bedroom, hands down. Because at the end of the day, when you have been overwhelmed by the busyness of life, is there anything better than going into your bedroom and having it be this serene place that is perfect for sleep? So if you are looking to minimize your bedroom, I'm going to show you how I turned this room around from complete chaos to minimal dream in just a few hours. Whether you have recently moved or you are tackling a whole house declutter, one of my favorite tips is to treat it like you are renovating your home. And you guys will see as I show you how I have done this unpacking journey that I literally move the mess from one place to another until everything is in its home. So if you are feeling overwhelmed, pretend like you are renovating and just tackle one space at a time. Sometimes I get myself into an organization rut, which is where I find it hard to rethink a space or rethink how something is organized because of the way I've already had it organized. So in our new house, we have lots of built-in storage, and I really want to make the most of that. So I have tried to let go of any preconceived ideas I have had about how something should be organized and focus solely on making it the most functional. Because our bedroom doubles as our office, and you guys might have spaces just like this where it is doing two things at once. Think to yourself, what are those things I'm going to be accessing all of the time? Make sure they have that great real estate and then work backwards from there. When I am finding homes for things that are going to be used by more than just me, something that's super helpful is just asking the other people in your life, particularly the ones that are going to use these items the most, where would you look for this item, where would you try and find it, and then put it as close to that space as possible. One of my favorite things about finding new homes for things is that they then act like a magnet for like items. So as you're going through different parts of your house, opening boxes, those areas where you've already organized will call those new items home. I don't know about you, but whenever I get to the bottom of a box, I always feel the need to dramatically throw it away from me, like I am just done with it for good. So if you have a little quirky thing that makes you feel good and keeps you motivated, totally keep doing it. Something that I like to do about halfway through a job is just do a quick tidy up, just moving those items that you know are going to be trash into one central location or picking things up to make a path. It just helps the whole process seem that much more achievable. If you are like me and get easily distracted, one of the things that I love to do is to plant myself in one place while I'm doing the job for as long as possible. So this is great if you have someone helping you, that they can get different items for you or move things to a trash pile, and then that way you won't get distracted and end up doing 20 things that you weren't supposed to be. This is your friendly reminder that often when you're organizing, things look like a way bigger mess when you're halfway through than they did when you begin with. It's just part of the process. When you are nearing the end of a project, that is the perfect time to make sure you are getting rid of all of that trash. So if you separate it into things that are going to be kept, just not live in this room, and things that can be trashed, and then move those items out as quickly as possible, this will help the space to take shape much faster and to keep you on track. The best thing about floor sleeping is that I can take everything out of my room and give it a really good clean, and my new robot friend is helping me out. I can't wait to share with you guys all of the details on what I got and why I got it in an upcoming video. Whenever I am making over a space, I love to go a little bit extra. I'm just using some fabric refreshing spray. It just gives everything a really light, beautiful scent. I, of course, made sure I washed all of our bedding so that this will feel like a brand new room. Now, I realize how incredibly awkward I look making my floor sleeping a bed, but it is so good where we have been able to place everything in this room. It feels so nice, and I can't wait to show you all the other areas of the house that I have been busy organizing.